Fáilte go dtí ceathniú. Welcome back to a new lesson. This week we're going to look at some phrases to use to talk about the weather in Irish. So making that important small talk when you're talking to people that you meet on the road or wherever you are. So Orion, on we go. On Keith Sean, the first one is the weather is getting better. Tá on I'm sure ag Irie níos far. Tá I'm sure ag Irie níos far. Now, this is pronounced different in different dialects, but we're just going to look at the general pronunciation here first. So we have tá on I'm sure weather. So the weather is. Ag Irie is getting. Ag Irie in this context. And then níos fearr is better. Níos fearr. This one, especially níos fearr, would be pronounced different in different dialects as well. So tá I'm sure Irie níos fearr, the weather is getting better. This pronunciation guide in the yellow is a general guide to how to pronounce this phrase. This is not using the phonetic alphabet. If you would like to hear it in different dialects, then do type it into obair.ie. This phonetic guide is to help make the Irish language accessible to everyone and not just people who can read the phonetic alphabet. So do take this as a general guide and do check obair.ie to hear this phrase in each of the different dialects if you so wish to. In case Ella, the next one also means the weather is getting better. It's a variation on that, and it's tá on I'm sure ag dul I bheabhs. Tá I'm sure ag dul I bheabhs. The weather is getting better. Tá I'm sure ag dul I bheabhs. So slowly it is tá on I'm sure ag dul I bheabhs. Now, when it comes to dialects, this D in dull can be pronounced like a J or a G sound in Connacht. Acharish, but again, you can check this in obair.ie to hear the different dialects. Agus ceann one ella, another one, how to say the weather was bad or there was bad weather. The druff I'm sure on. The druff I'm sure on. Or own. So this does differ across the dialects. The druff I'm sure own or the druff I'm sure on. There was bad weather. Agus sinna go chatting shot. That's it for this week. So hopefully you can pick one of them and add it into a conversation this week, or just Jane Lorclafta, do lots of practice with that one ag baile at home. Gur míle maith the reach. Thank you so much again. Feicim me an chatting shot. See you next week. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.